Making money on YouTube from day one with $0 does not have to be complicated. In fact, my entire one-page YouTube plan to make money from day one fits on a single page and takes maybe 15 to 30 minutes a day to execute. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through all 4 pieces of that plan, plus the simple system that ties them all together. So you can start making sales from your very first video without being monetized, without a big channel, and without spending a penny. Sound good? Let's dive in. Okay, the very first thing on the one-page plan is also the thing I see beginners getting wrong the most, and it costs them months of growth. You need one YouTube channel and one main focus, not 3 channels, not one channel that's about everything, one channel and one focus. Think about it like this. You only have so much time and energy. If you're splitting it across a bunch of different channels or a bunch of random topics, you are never going to build momentum on any of them. But when all of that energy goes in one direction, you get good fast and you grow fast. And growing fast matters here because the faster you grow, the faster you make money. So here's exactly how I pick a focus, and you can do this today. Set a timer for 30 to 60 minutes and brain dump a list of every single topic that you could teach on. Then set a second timer for 10 to 15 minutes and force yourself to narrow it down to 1. That's it. That's the whole exercise. And listen, one focus doesn't mean one video idea forever. Let's say your focus is gardening. Inside of that, you've got raised beds, composting, growing food year round, seed starting. For me, my focus is make money online. And inside that, I talk about YouTube, digital products, and passive income. You get multiple content pillars, but they all live under one roof. This is your business and your channel. You can absolutely do whatever you want. But if the goal is money from day one with $0, focus is the fastest path there. One channel, one focus, that's box number 1 on the page checked. And if you want to get to 10K months creating and selling your own digital products with YouTube, definitely check out Freedom Creator Club. It's my program that shows you step by step how to create digital products people actually want to buy and grow a following on YouTube to sell them to. Right now, it's just $99 a month, but we raise the price often, so be sure to check it out. The link is in the description below this video. The second thing on the plan is how you turn random viewers into people you can actually sell to. And it's completely free to set up. You need a freebie. A freebie is something free and digital, a PDF, checklist, a template that people get in exchange for their name and email address. So why does this matter so much? 2 reasons. Number 1, it lets you help your audience on a deeper level than a video can. You're handing them something tangible they can actually use. And 2, and this is the big one, it builds your email list. Because here's the thing, YouTube views are amazing, but you don't own them. Your email list, you own that. And email is dramatically more effective at making sales than social media alone. And that's why every single one of my videos mentions a freebie. Now, what should your freebie be? Match it to your channel's focus. A gardening channel, a printable seed starting schedule, or everything you need for your first raised bed checklist. A budgeting channel, a done for you budget spreadsheet. Here's my biggest tip. Make it done for you. Nobody wants to download a 30-page ebook and do homework. They want the template, the checklist, the plans, something they can use in like 5 minutes. Done for you freebies get downloaded way more, which means more people on your email list. My own freebies are things like my YouTube script template and my list of digital product types, all done for you, all linked below. You can make your first freebie in an afternoon with tools you already have for free. So don't overthink it. Helpful and done for you beats fancy every single time. Box 2, freebie, done. Okay, this third piece is the key to making money from day one, because without it, you could be waiting months or even years to see a single dollar. You need your product, specifically a paid digital product. So here's why. If you wait for YouTube monetization, you are waiting on subscriber counts and watch hours that you don't control. But when you sell your own digital product, you can make money from your very first video. And I specifically recommend digital, not physical, because there is no inventory, no shipping, no manufacturing, no money required upfront. You create it once and sell it over and over. To figure out what yours should be, just ask, what could I teach people that goes deeper than my videos? Deep enough that they'd pay for it. So a gardening channel, a complete grow a year of food ebook or workshop, a budgeting channel, a full financial reset course. And I personally love memberships. My own product is a monthly membership where I help people grow on YouTube and sell digital products. And memberships mean recurring income instead of one-time sales. Quick story on this. The first time I went to Costa Rica, I was completely overwhelmed planning the trip. And I found a travel channel that sold an ebook with done for you 7, 14, and 30-day Costa Rica itineraries. Instant purchase from me. That's the power of a digital product that solves a real problem. 2 fast ways to find your idea. First, research other successful channels in your niche. What are they giving away as freebies and what are they selling? Model channels that are actually getting views. Second, if you have any audience at all, even 10 people, poll them. Ask what they're struggling with. Their answers are product ideas. You don't need to be a guru and you don't need it to be perfect. You just need to package what you know one level deeper than your free content. Box 3 is your product. And if you want to get to 10K months creating and selling your own digital products with YouTube, definitely check out Freedom Creator Club. It's my program that shows you step by step how to create digital products people actually want to buy and grow a following on YouTube to sell them to. Right now, it's just $99 a month, but we raise the price often, so be sure to check it out. The link is in the description below this video. All right, let's recap the plan so far because this is literally the whole plan. Channel, freebie, product. And now the fourth and final box, the thing that actually collects the money, you need a checkout page. That's it. One simple page with the name of your product, maybe a mock-up image, and a form where someone enters their name, email, and card to buy. And the best part, you can set it up so that the moment someone hits purchase, your digital product is automatically delivered to their inbox. You don't touch anything. You could be asleep, you could be at your kid's soccer game. The sale happens and the product delivers itself. Now you might be thinking, okay, Molly, but how do I set this all up? The email list, the freebie delivery, the checkout page with $0. Everything I just described, I run inside one tool called System.io, and they have a genuinely free account. Free account, not a free trial. And that's linked in the description below. You can build your freebie funnel, host your product, and make your first sales without paying a penny. And yes, that's an affiliate link, but I don't make anything if you stay on the free tier. This is just genuinely the software I use to run my entire business, and I get asked about it in every video. So there's the full plan. Channel, freebie, product, checkout page. Say it with me. Channel, freebie, product, checkout page. If you can set up those 4 things and every single one of them can be done for free, you are officially in business. Now I know exactly what you're thinking. Molly, I have 0 subscribers. Who is buying this? This is the part nobody tells beginners and it changes everything. Subscribers don't matter anymore. They're a fun number to celebrate, but YouTube's algorithm doesn't use your subscriber count to decide who sees your videos. What the algorithm actually does is figure out what your video is about. Show it to a small test group, and then if people click and keep watching, it shows it to more and more people, subscribers or not. Think about your own homepage. I'd bet a lot of the channels you watch every week, you never actually hit subscribe on. YouTube just knows what you like and keeps serving it to you. So here's the loop that makes money from day one. You post videos, and in every video you mention your freebie. Some viewers grab it and join your email list. Then your emails send them to your checkout page. Views, emails, subscribers, sales. Even a video that gets under 100 views can start this loop. I have students getting a few hundred views per video with barely any subscribers who are already making sales. And the emails, not rocket science, right from the heart. Send 1 email a week, a quick story about what happened in your world related to your topic, and end with a simple PS. Want to go deeper? Check out my product here with the link. Then once you've written a few emails, you can automate them into a welcome sequence. So every new subscriber gets your best emails in the best order. So days 1 through 5, write once and sell forever. This is why you can make money from your first video. No monetization requirements, no waiting for 1,000 subscribers, just the loop, views, emails, checkout page. And every video you post feeds into it. And if you want to get to 10K months creating and selling your own digital products with with YouTube, definitely check out Freedom Creator Club. It's my program that shows you step by step how to create products that people actually want to buy and grow a following on YouTube to sell them to. Right now, it's just $99 a month, but we raise the price often, so be sure to check it out. The link is in the description below this video. Now that you know the one-page YouTube plan to make money from day one with $0, you might be wanting to learn how to commit to YouTube for the next 3 months, but how do you do that? Well, it all starts by watching this next video here, because when you pair what you just learned with what's in this video, it's going to be way more powerful. See you in the next video.